Welcome to this week's session with Putnam County District Library, Guiding Ohio Online Grant. This week we are going to take a break from some of the little bit more serious topics in the sense of cybersecurity and all the different things that are out there these days. We're going to go a little bit of the art route here, and we're going to look at something called Krita. Before we get started, remember that this is a project that's supported in whole or part by the Museum and Library Services Funds and is granted through the State Library of Ohio. The opinions expressed here do not necessarily reflect the position or policy of IMLS or the State Library of Ohio. No official endorsement by either agency should be inferred. So if you go to the web address krita.org, what you are going to see here is the ability to download this particular piece of software onto your machine. And notice it comes into any of these in Windows, Mac, or Linux devices. And you would be able to download at this point. So you would just simply click on download and put the application on. What I do want you to see is on down the page as you have information that pertains to the program and how it has been released as well for Android. And then further down as we're looking, you can see that it explains some of the key features of the program as well as it's really kind of cool because you've got this with a supportive community and you can actually visit some of the artists and what they're working with. So if I click on that, it's going to take me out here and it's going to give me information about some of the various artists. And I can actually correspond here as well with them. And then I'm going to go back here and I just want you to see on down the page then where they actually have some like artist interviews and information that you can go about. And it's kind of nice. You can see, that this is much more of the cartoonist. This is much more of a pencil type. So you can see all of these different artists and what they are doing using the program. So I'm going to open the program itself up. And when I do that, I'm going to bring that across here to let me get to my program. I'm going to simply go to my applications, and I am going to bring that across here. I'll show you. We're going to stop this because I don't want this.